I love growing tomatillos, mostly because I love to eat tomatillos, and I love eating tomatoes as well. And tomato salsa is one of my favorite things about summer, but salsa verde, salsa made out of these green tomatillos, is one of my very favorite things about life in general. And I harvest them at lots of different stages. Think of them as a semi-determinate tomato that is only going to get 4.5 feet tall, that you can trellis similarly to a tomato, and they have all these lovely little husks on them that are bright green, and they have those little green fruits in them that are beginning to swell, and they'll pop out of them. They're so darling. And oh, that is a stinging insect on my knee. But you'll also see that they start to turn yellow, and they start to turn sweeter as they turn more yellow as well. So I like to use them at lots of different stages, both raw in salsa verdes, or I like to put them on the grill, pan-sear them. There's lots of different ways to cook them. Roasting is another great option. So you find lots of great tomatillo recipes in Mexican cookbooks, and when you grow a few tomatillos, you will have a lot of tomatillos, and you will be so grateful for any of the fine recipes that you will find. And they don't get any of the diseases that tomatoes get as well. Many other reasons to love, and we do, tomatillos.